Hello students, let us continue chapter 8, comparing quantities. Today we are going to learn about the prices related to an item or buying and selling prices. Children, you have learned from the lower classes the cost price and selling price. What is cost price? The buying price of any item is known as its cost price or CP, and the price at which an article is sold. It is known as selling price or SP. And if SP is greater than CP, there will be the profit. Therefore, profit is equal to SP minus CP. And if CP is equal to SP, there is no profit or loss. Means CP, selling price and buying price both are equal. In that case, there will not be any profit or loss. And if CP is greater than SP, then there will be a loss. And loss is equal to CP minus SP. And these all formulas, basic things of selling and buying you have learned from the lower classes. Now the new topic is profit or loss as percentage. We can show the profit or loss also as percentage. Now it is always calculated on CP, whether it is profit or loss. For finding the percentage, the denominator should be CP. Never to write SP in the denominator. Profit percentage and loss percentage are calculated on CP. That is the main thing you have to remember here. Profit percent is equal to profit upon CP into 100. And loss percent is equal to loss upon CP into 100. See, whether it is profit or loss, it should be calculated on CP. Now, if CP and profit percentage or loss percentage is given, how to find out SP? SP is equal to CP into 100 plus profit percent upon 100 in case of profit, or SP is equal to CP into 100 minus loss percentage upon 100 in case of loss. Children, these formulas are not given. These last two formulas are not given in your textbook. And so you have to by heart them very well. And all these notes you have to write down in your notebook. But learning time, these two formulas, how to find out SP and CP, if profit and loss percentage is given, that you have to by heart very well. Same way, CP we can find out CP if SP and profit or loss percentage is given. CP is equal to SP into 100 upon 100 plus profit percent in case of profit. And if there is loss, how to find out CP? CP is equal to SP into 100 upon 100 minus loss percentage. And if you learn this formula, very easily you can find out SP and CP if profit or loss percentage is given. Okay, we will see the example related to that. First example, CP is equal to 72 rupees, SP is equal to 80 rupees, profit is 80 rupees, find the percentage of profit. Here actually SP not needed at all. For finding the profit and loss percentage, you know we want only profit or loss and CP only. Here CP is given 72 rupees. Profit is given 80 rupees. So percentage of profit is profit upon CP into 100. Profit 8 and CP 72. You can cancel 8 and 72. 8 ones are 8. 8 nines are 72. So 1 upon 9 into 100. It will be 100 upon 9. And on dividing we will get 11 integer 1 upon 9. So in this case, the percentage of profit is 11 integer 1 upon 9 percentage. And whenever you write the percentage sign should be given. In textbook it is not given, but you have to write the percentage or loss with the sign only. Second example, CP is equal to 120 rupees, SP is equal to 100 rupees. Find the loss percent. Here, how much is the loss? That is not given. We have to find out loss. Here, CP and SP given. Just to compare CP and SP, what is more? CP is more. So obviously you can say if CP is more than SP, there will be loss, and loss is equal to CP minus SP. What is CP? CP is 120 rupees and SP is equal to 100 rupees. So 120 minus 100, that is 20 rupees is the loss in this case. Now we will find out the loss percent. Loss percent is equal to loss upon CP into 100. Loss is 20, CP 120, 20 upon 120 into 100. We can cancel 0 and 0, both the 20 0 and 120 0 we can cancel, then it will become 2 upon 12. Both are the multiples of 2. 1 2s are 2 and 6 2s are 12. So we will get 1 upon 6. Directly also if you want you can cancel, children. It is not you have to follow the same way of cancellation. You have taken the simplest way of cancellation so that everybody can understand. And those who are knowing in a better way can do the direct cancellation. 21s are 20, 26 are 120. That way you can cancel, or you can cancel 100 and 120. Anyway, as you like, it should be correct that only. So here I have taken the simplest ways only. So 1 upon 6 into 100 will become 100 upon 6. And 106 again we can divide by 2. 52 is 100 and 3 2s are 6. So 50 upon 3 it will become, on divided we will get 16 integer 2 upon 3 percentage. So loss percentage here is 16 integer 2 upon 3%. These two questions were very simple. Now how to find out SP if cost price and profit percentage is given? Profit is not given. If profit is given directly, we can add CP plus profit is equal to SP. But profit percentage only given. So we will use the formula. Which formula we will use? SP is equal to CP into 100 plus profit percent upon 100. What is CP? 750 rupees. Then 750 rupees we will multiply by 100 plus profit percent. See this, you have to write in the bracket. You cannot take them separately. You have to add profit percent to 100. That sum only we can take. So 100 plus 8, that is 108. So 750 into 108 upon 100. Now here I have cancelled the 0 of 750 and 1 0 of 100. It became 75 upon 10. Again 75 and 10 both are the multiples of 5. 15 5s are 75 and 2 5s are 10. So we will be getting 15 upon 2. Then multiplied it by 100 plus profit percent. This 100 plus profit percent you cannot take separately. Always remember we have to find the sum of 100 and profit percent. That number only, sum only we can take. So 15 upon 2 into 108. Here 108 is divisible by 2. It will give 54. So 15 into 54, that is 810. Therefore, in this case, SP is equal to 810 rupees. Now we will see how to find out SP if CP and loss percentage is given. You have already learned the formula. SP is equal to CP into 100 minus loss percentage. In case of profit, we will add 100 to the profit percentage, and in case of loss, 100 minus loss. Loss will be minusing and profit will be adding with 100. So SP is equal to CP into 100 minus loss percentage upon 100. Here CP is 120 and 100 minus loss percent. How much is the loss percentage? Loss percentage is 10. So 100 minus 10, that is 90. 120 into 90 upon 100. The two zeros of 100 can be cancelled. One with 120 0 and one with the 0 of 90. So it will become 12 into 9. 12 9s are 108. So in this case, SP is equal to 108 rupees. Children, here what you have to remember, if there is profit, we will be adding profit with 100, 100 plus profit. And if there is loss, 100 minus loss. That will. The remaining things are the same for both the profit and the loss. Now we will see how to find out CP if SP and profit or loss percentage is given. See the question. Selling price of a toy car is rupees 540. If the profit made by the shopkeeper is 20%, what is the cost price? SP is given 540 rupees, profit percentage is given 20%, and we have to find out CP. CP is equal to SP into 100 upon 100 plus profit percentage. SP is 540 into 100 upon 100 plus 20. Here also this number we have to add it together and take the sum only. We cannot take 120 separately. 100 plus 20, whatever the profit percentage is there, that we have to add it to 100 and the sum only we can take. So 100 plus 20 is 120. Now, here what I have done is this 120 is 10 and 100 10 cancel. Then we will be getting 10 upon 12. 2 5s are 10 and 2 6 are 12. So 540 into 5 upon 6. Then 6 and 540 I have cancelled. 6 9s are 540. So 6 1s are 6 and 96 are 540. So we got 90 into 5. 95s are 450. And in this case, CP is equal to 450 rupees. Children, again I am telling cancellation doing time. You can do as you like, but only one thing, it should be correct. Now we will see the last question of today. By selling a room cooler, Ramesh loses 8% loss. If he sold it for rupees 1,150, what was the cost price of the room cooler? Here SP is given 1,150 and he is suffering a loss of 8%. We have to find out CP. CP is equal to SP into 100 upon 100 minus loss. Here also, in case of loss, we have to minus from 100. Profit will be adding with 100. Loss will be minusing from 100. So 1,150 into 100 upon 100 minus 8, that is 92. Here, first I have cancelled 100 and 92. I have divided both the number by 4. 25 4s are 100 and 23 4s are 92. So we'll be getting 25 upon 23. It will be multiplied by 1,150. Now, we can divide 1,150 by 23. 23 into 50 gives 1,150. So then I have divided these two numbers. We got 50. 50 into 25, that is 1,250. And in this case, CP is 1,250. Okay, children, today we will be ending by this portion and the remaining part will be explaining in the next video.